Module Overview. Module 6 serves as a bridge between the theoretical understanding of different real estate classes and the practical integration of these classes within modern cities, economic frameworks, and sustainable development systems. Real estate types do not function in isolation. They are deeply interconnected, influencing and shaping each other across urban, suburban, and rural landscapes. This module introduces you to the synergistic relationships between residential, commercial, industrial, and land sectors, exploring how they coexist, overlap, and support the functioning of urban systems. It will examine how zoning plans, city development strategies, population density, transportation systems, and government regulations drive the formation of mixed-use districts, satellite towns, and economic clusters. You will also explore urban planning principles, the role of public-private partnerships, PPPs, and the impact of infrastructure investment on the value and integration of multiple real estate classes. Using advanced models and global case studies, the module explores how the health of one sector affects others, leading to opportunities for investment and innovation, as well as challenges related to land use conflicts, gentrification, and housing inequity. The concept of real estate synergy. Definition of synergy in urban development. Why integration among real estate types matters. Complementary functions of residential, commercial, industrial, and land asset. Interdependence within economic ecosystems, e.g., housing workers near factories or office zones. Examples of dysfunction when synergy is absent, e.g., overzoning, traffic congestion, service gaps. Urban development models and real estate typologies. Monocentric versus polycentric city models, concentric zone theory and real estate location, logic sector model, and zoning distribution. Multiple nuclei theory and satellite towns, urban density and vertical versus horizontal expansion, transit-oriented development TOD, and its impact on real estate integration. Mixed-use developments and integrated real estate planning. Definition and scope of mixed-use spaces. Benefits, convenience, walkability, increased land efficiency. Residential retail office hybrids, e.g., live work-play environments, zoning and regulatory adaptations needed for mixed-use zones, mixed-use versus segregated development pros and cons. Transportation, infrastructure, and connectivity influence. The value chain, roads, access, increased land value, development potential. How mass transit drives real estate clustering. Influence of airports, ports, rail stations, and highways. Case study, Lagos Red Line and Blue Line Rail influence on adjacent real estate types. Examples of real estate value escalation due to new infrastructure. Industrial clusters and worker housing nexus. Co-location benefits. Proximity between industrial hubs and residential zones. Workforce housing developments. Environmental considerations. Zoning buffers, pollution, noise global models, SEZs, special economic zones, industrial parks with housing extensions, smart city frameworks that integrate factory, retail, and residential access, commercial corridors, and the growth of satellite cities. Definition of commercial corridors, e.g., Ikoyi to Lekki, Victoria Island to Aja. Real estate price ripple effects along highways and CBDs, relationship between office expansion and housing demand. Economic decentralization and its real estate implications. Use of commercial developments to trigger urban expansion. Gentrification, displacement, and equity. Definition and causes of gentrification. How new developments raise property values and push out low-income residents. Balancing real estate synergy with social inclusion. Policy tools for affordable housing and equitable access. The dangers of neglecting real estate interdependence, slum growth, displacement, etc. Public-private partnerships, PPPs, and strategic development. Role of PPPs in integrating real estate projects. Government incentives for mixed-use and smart city development, institutional funding of large-scale urban projects, community buy-in and stakeholder engagement, land swaps, tax holidays, and real estate trusts. Environmental integration and green urbanism. Importance of balancing development with ecology, green zones, parks, and real estate design. Real estate synergy in eco-villages, solar estates, waterfront districts. Use of open land in flood mitigation, pollution control. Sustainable land integration with residential and commercial areas. Technology and data-driven integration. Smart cities and Internet of Things. IoT in urban real estate, digital zoning platforms, and geospatial data usage. Real-time development dashboards. Digital twin cities and predictive modeling for real estate coordination. PropTech applications for planning synergy. Learning outcomes. By the end of this module, you will be able to explain how different real estate types integrate to form functional urban and rural economies. Identify models of urban development that support or hinder synergy. Evaluate the role of infrastructure and policy in shaping integrated real estate projects. Analyze real-world projects where real estate synergy led to economic or social transformation. Design real estate strategies that promote balance, inclusivity, and sustainability across multiple sectors.